Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to share documents on Microsoft Teams meeting. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, you can use any browser like Google Chrome. After that, head over to the Microsoft Teams website. Then, click on the Sign In button and enter your login details. After that, find the calendar on the left-hand sidebar. Then, locate the meeting where you want to share a document and click on it. After that, click on Open Meeting Chat. Over here, you will see a paperclip icon at the bottom of the chat window. Then click on the paperclip icon and select Upload from this device. After that, choose the document you want to share and confirm the upload. Then your document will be accessible to all meeting participants through the meeting chat. So that's basically how you can share documents on Microsoft Teams meeting. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.